Assalamualaikum viewers, Rabi Turhat is present. Assalamualaikum viewers, Rabi Turhat आपकी खिदमत पे हाजिर है. Now we have to discuss about present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we read about the definition of present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, indicate that something started in the past and continuing in present time. I will translate in Urdu. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस ये चीज़ इंडिकेट करता है कि कोई चीज़ पास्ट में शुरू हुई हो और प्रेजेंट में वो कंटिन्यू हो. सब नाउ वी हैव टू मूव ऑन सब फॉर्मेशन. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब विद आईएनजी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. इट्स मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर्मेशन. यू हैव टू राइट इट ऑन योर नोटबुक और एनी अदर रजिस्टर. Now we have to move on the other. We use helping verb has been and have been. हमारा helping verb has been है और have been है. We use first form of verb. हम verb की पहली form को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Has been is used for he, she, it and any singular noun. Have been is used for they, we, you, I plural noun. In present perfect continuous tense, since and par is used is used every time, many times in present perfect continuous tense. There is since and for. Since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time. For example, here will be example of simple sentence of present perfect continuous tense. He has been working since 2 hours. They have been working for 3 hours. वो अपना काम 2 घंटे से कर रहा है. वो अपना काम 3 घंटे से पढ़ रहे हैं. It is the translation in Urdu. Now we have to move on negative sentence. In negative sentence, we use not in the middle of has been and have been, like has not been and have not been, to make it negative. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus been plus verb with ing plus object. This is the formation of negative sentence. You have to write it on your notebook and any other register because it is most important formation. Now we have to move on example. In example, we said that he has not been. In example, he said that he has not been working since 2 hours. वो अपना काम 2 घंटे से नहीं कर रहा है. They have not been studying for 3 hours. वो अपना काम 3 घंटे से पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं. Now we have to move on interrogative sentence. In negative sentence, we learn that we have to put not in the sentence, and in simple sentence there will be a positive sentence. Now we have to move on interrogative sentence. In Urdu, it means सवालिया जुमला. Now we have to discuss about its definition. We use helping verb has have in the beginning of the sentence. Put question mark at the end of sentence. हम helping verb has have को beginning पे यानी कि sentence के शुरू में इस्तेमाल करते हैं और sentence के आखिर में question mark जरूर लगाते हैं. Now we have to move on its formation. Formation is helping verb plus subject plus being plus verb with ing plus object plus question mark. It is most important. You have to write it on your notebook and any other register. Now we have to move on example. Example number 1. He has been working since 2 hours. In Urdu, it's translate like that. क्या वो अपना काम 2 घंटे से याद कर रहा है. Now we have to move on another sentence. Have they been studying for 3 hours? क्या वो अपना काम 3 घंटे से अपना काम याद कर रहे हैं. It is our video. ये हमारी वीडियो थी. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए ताकि हमारी सबसे नई आने वाली वीडियो आप सबसे पहले देख पाएँ. और इसी के साथ साथ मुझे इजाज़त देने बहुत सारी दुआओं के साथ. फी अमानुल्लाह.